What if I told you that one of the most powerful ways to rebuild muscle after 60 isn't in a pill, a powder, or even a protein shake? It's something soft, sweet, and sitting quietly in your kitchen right now. And at the very end of this video, I'll reveal the fruit with the strongest science behind it, one my patients ask about more than anything else. You'll want to hear this. Have you noticed it? That moment when lifting something light suddenly feels heavy, when stairs leave you more winded than you remember, when your balance isn't quite the same? That's not just getting older. It's something called sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. It starts earlier than most people think, and slowly it steals your strength, energy, and independence. But you can fight back, naturally. Today I'm sharing 5 powerful fruits, backed by real science, that can calm hidden inflammation, boost strength and stamina, speed up recovery, and even help you rebuild muscle. And they're already at your grocery store. Avocado is your muscle's personal bodyguard, packed with good fats, potassium, magnesium, and vitamin E. It reduces silent inflammation and keeps muscles firing smoothly. Linda, 73, added half an avocado to breakfast. 2 weeks later, no more nightly leg cramps, and her morning walks felt effortless. Tart cherries calm soreness, speed recovery, and even help you sleep better, thanks to their natural melatonin. One small glass before bed can mean waking up with less stiffness and more energy. Pomegranate seeds are loaded with antioxidants that protect muscles and boost blood flow, delivering more oxygen and nutrients where you need them most. Evelyn, 74, went from feeling drained after laundry to walking through her day without fatigue just by adding pomegranate juice a few times a week. Prunes may not look glamorous, but they can trigger muscle growth by boosting IGF-1, a hormone essential for building and maintaining strength. They also help your body absorb calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D, which are key for both muscle and bone health. Apples hide a secret in their skin, ursolic acid, which helps preserve and build muscle. Eat them with the peel on, and you also get quercetin, which fuels your mitochondria, your muscle's energy factories. These aren't rare superfoods. They're everyday fruits, ready to protect your muscles, restore your strength, and help you move with confidence. Start small. An avocado on toast, a handful of prunes with breakfast, tart cherry juice before bed. Every bite is a quiet reminder, I'm still building strength, I'm still here, I still matter. If this inspired you, share it with someone who needs it. Your best years can still be your strongest years.